West Bengal Police Day is celebrated on his birthday. Might be a coincidence, might not be. But a man of immense, my lord, influence in West Bengal. So, my lord, he becomes a mediator. My lord, please see that document. Page 221. My lord, it starts from page 218. This is a memorandum of understanding between partners. My lord, please come to page 219. The first party are partners and or proprietors and or stakeholders in the businesses carried on under the names and styles of Gita Traders, which is, my lord, this firm, and, my lord, two other firms. Second party, Utpal Chaudhary, had advanced an unsecured loan of 40.36 crores, rupees 40 crores 36 lakhs, during the period 2021 to 2023-24. This will not be reflected in the bank statements. This is imagination. Then, out of the aforesaid loan, a sum of rupees 10 crores has been repaid by the first party after consultation, which is wrong. Then, in consideration of the loan, the first party has executed 3 irrevocable power of attorneys in connection with the 3 firms. First legal question: can a partner's rights as partner be taken away by an irrevocable power of attorney? Answer, my lord, is no. Now please see, my lord, page 220, banking and cash flow. All bank transactions of the firms shall be carried out solely by second party Utpal Chaudhary, who's the respondent. So he'll get bank accounts. Next, my lord, the second bullet point: day-to-day cash sheets and bank statements of the firms shall be furnished to the first party, etc. Loan repayment, asset liability statement, accounting authority, and it goes on, my lord. Disposal of assets, my lord, number 7. Second party shall have authority to sell or dispose of assets of the firm, subject to written approval of Ashish Kumar Paul. Then, please see, my lord, 9. In the event of any dispute or difference arising between the parties in connection with this MOU or the affairs of the firms, the matter shall be referred to Mr. Shantanu Sinha Bishash, family friend. He's a, my lord, police officer sitting in Kalighat police station.
No, but you have both the parties have consented to him.
Yes,
He's a
yes.
police officer or what?
And mediator. And then, my lord, your lordship will see page 224, irrevocable power of attorney. 228 for these firms. 232. 236. All, my lord, signed. Question is, where is it signed? It's signed at the police station. Now, my lord, please see the complaint. Page 252. My lord, I am given this document after I was summoned once to the police station. I said no. I suggested some changes. Next day, I'm summoned, whole family together to the police station. We go there. We said, you sign it now. And we are made to sign it. And I've lodged a police complaint, 252. And wherever your lordship will find that there is some participation, it's, my lord, my old father's name, who's, my lord, so sick that he is unable, my lord, to do anything properly. Now, my lord, please see paragraph 6 at page 252.
At the instance.
Yes, at the instance of accused number 1, cash credit account of the firm was shifted from Bank of India. That's fine. We agreed to that. So, my lord, when they came in, first thing they did was have, my lord, banking operations shifted. We agreed. Then, my lord, paragraph 8. The complainant had previously entrusted accused number 1 with procuring land, etc. Then land documents he demanded, he is taken. Now, my lord, paragraph 10. Being frightened by continuous threats, the complainant and his father were compelled to make accused number 1 joint signatory in bank accounts of such and such, and power of attorney was executed in his favor. Everything was denied. Then he withdrew money. That's paragraph 11. Then they would, my lord, use GST authorities to, my lord, terrorize us. Then, my lord, please see paragraph 15, 16. Now, my lord, see paragraph 17. On or about 11 September 2025, the complainant and his family was summoned to Kalighat police station and informed that failure to attend a meeting would result in their arrest, even though no complaint had been formally registered. Inside the police station, the complainant and his father were forced, under threat of immediate arrest of the family, to sign a memorandum of understanding and multiple blank papers and stamp papers, which were later converted into power of attorney, giving sweeping control over the firm and their assets to the accused number 1. And I've moved a police in action writ petition. Yes. And we've asked for transfer of the case to CBI because the most influential, my lord, the police officer is going to be an accused in the case. And there is an order passed in the writ petition that the CCTV footage of the police station on these days should be preserved. My lord, we've prepared a supplementary affidavit. I'll just show your lordship the order. Lord, please, the other side ke dao. Thank you. Please see, my lord, page 9. Applicants are directed to serve copy of application being can number 1. Learned counsel for the petitioner seeks to use affidavit in opposition. Then, my lord, page 10. In the meantime, CCTV footage of Kalighat police station dated such and such be preserved. I had also made that prayer, my lord, before your lordship in the application. But really, I can't get an order on the state. So, my lord, we move this over there. So, my lord, number 1, money taken out from the firm. Number 2, control taken out by these documents. Now, number 3, out of business also. Why? It's because of the fact that he, my lord, used to keep the goods at a particular storehouse, over which he had control. We agreed to that. Now I'm excluded, and he's writing these letters to, my lord, all the customers. My lord, please have a look at page 11
11 off.
of this supplementary affidavit, my lord. 11 and 12, 2 letters, my lord. Dear sir, we wanted to update you on your collaboration with Velocity Distribution House, our current company. Moving forward, we'll be working together under a new entity, Velocity Distribution House. We'll continue delivering the same quality work and commitment. Please update your records to reflect the change in company name to Velocity Distribution House for all future communication and collaborators. Next page, Milord. Gita Traders is giving an NOC. So firm gives an NOC, business will go to his firm. So he's taken out money from the bank. He's removed me by getting Kalighat police station to execute documents. And number three, he's going to take the customers away. This is the sum and substance. I have, Milord, is a partnership admitted position. Now, Milord, where is the strength which I have to, Milord, ask for orders? Number one, as I said, Milord, let's not get into all of this. I'm a 50% partner. Partnership deed and partnership act cannot be abrogated by these documents. And even if at the prima facie stage, your lordship doesn't, Milord, let me in, your lordship, Milord, may be pleased to, Milord, protect the business. So receiver over goods, to carry out an inventory over goods, receiver over bank accounts of the firm, and an order of injunction restraining the respondents, because Partnership Act says you can't carry on competing business. That's not very clear from the Partnership Act. So if you are a partner, you directly or indirectly cannot carry out any competing business. And you or any firm in which you are a partner, or any company where you are associated with, you cannot approach the customers of the firm. So, Milord, these are the three prayers, Milord, which I have made before your lordship today. Milord, please have a look at the prayers. A, Milord, is an injunction restraining the respondents from withdrawing any amount from the bank accounts of the firm or from customers. Milord, this is, Milord, till the time receiver is in place. Then it should be, Milord, with authorization of receiver. Then, Milord, C, Milord, is a order restraining alienation of property. Then, Milord, E is what I, Milord, ask for today. A receiver take control of bank account, records, forensic audit, take symbolic possession and inventory of stock. And, Milord, F, injunction restraining respondents from carrying on competing business. Because they are partners here, they're not entitled to. Milord, these are my humble submission. I, Milord, have already got from the writ court, I'm not pressing that relief. This is not preservation of the CCTV footage. Because the other prayer, Milord, which we also made here, is if your lordship sees, Milord, J, Milord, call data records of that particular day of all the petitioners and all the respondents, if produced, would show that at that time we were at, Milord, Kalighat police station. Why would Milord, all the parties go to Kalighat police station? That's the question I ask myself. This is the state of affairs in our, Milord, state today. Milord, I humbly pray for these ad interim orders of protection.
Yes.
May I take your lordship first to the complaint.
Page 252.
This is at page 252. Yes. Lordship will kindly take page 252 first.
Yes.
Kindly take the date of the complaint, which is most relevant.
27th, 11th.
27th of November.
Yes.
All the incidents, the validity of which are sought to be challenged in these proceedings, my lord, took place admittedly in the month of September. On or about 10th or 11th September, I am not making this statement that whatever signature was made, whatever arrangement was entered into by and between the parties was not in Kalighat police station or not. It's not the question. Question is that, my lord, I have what they have suppressed before your lordship. This entire petition suffers from suppression of material facts. Fact A, my lord, we have documents to demonstrate, banking documents to demonstrate that indeed a sum of rupees 40.36 crores was transferred in favor of the petitioners for running the partnership businesses. Well, we are concerned with one partnership firm. Well, your lordship will find from the complaint or even from the MOU, there are three entities. The partnership firm which we are concerned with is Gita Traders. Involved in, my lord, this logistics of the movement and sale of fast moving consumer goods, FMCG. Now, 10th, 11th, 8th, these are the dates, my lord, my learned friend is pointing out. My lord, your lordship will find these agreements were entered into. What they do not disclose, even their supplementary affidavit, on 17th, they write a letter to the bank, naturally not from the Kalighat police station, must be from the office of the petitioner, that all disputes and differences have been resolved. So normal banking operations could be commenced. This is not disclosed anywhere in the petition. This is 7 days later. So from 10th or 11th till 27th of November, there is no complaint as such. There is no complaint, there is no demur to the fact that 40.36 crores has been transferred. I am grateful to Mr. Chaudhary for making the statement that look, only 5 crores was the capital contribution. But the rest is, my lord, financial assistance rendered by, my lord, one of the petitioner from his own account. One of the respondent number two from his own account. Respondent number two, rather, from his own account. We have the banking statements, if your lordship allows us. Give us 7 days time or even 3 days time. We will file a short affidavit demonstrating each and every transaction, which will go to show that yes, indeed 40.36 crores was transferred. And kindly take the gap. The gap is between 10th of September to 11th of September till 27th of November. Email ta dao. This email, they are.
I can show 40 crores. Lord, I have no objection right
Yes,
now.
yes.
Show.
Right now it is not possible. Give us 3 days time. I will show. Give us 3 days time, and I cannot manufacture the banking documents right now.
Yes.
And if I can show 40.36 crores, I believe the petitioner would be out of this court. Kindly take this mail. This copy has been served. This is in connection with an application filed in the pending writ petition, in which the petitioners were not implicated as party respondents. No, I'm not on that. But ultimately, the applications have been entertained and direction for affidavits have been issued by the Honorable Single Judge. Kindly take the mail which has been annexed to this application. This is the mail which they had written. Kindly mark the date. This is written by the petitioner number 1 before your lordship. The date is, my lord, 9th of September. So it is contemporaneous. Sorry, 17th. I'm coming to that. No, again 9th dekhai. Kindly take 9th, page 29. 29. This is 9th of September. They talk about 3 dates, my lord.
Page 32 is 17th.
29. Page 29. I'm sorry, my lord. Page 29 of this application. This application has been filed in the pending writ petition.
Yes.
Since the matter has been resolved at our end, request you to unfreeze. This is from Arnav Paul to my lord the Union Bank of India, Kamak Street, Kolkata. Since the matter has been resolved at our end, request you to unfreeze the accounts and let the operation run smoothly as per the existing mandate. Now, my lord, kindly turn over and take the next annexure. This is also dated 9th of September. Now, my lord, kindly take now, my lord, page 32. This is subsequent to the signing of the MOU.
Yes.
Kindly take the first, my lord, the mail which has been sent by Union Bank, which is the trail mail, in fact. This is addressed to Arnav Paul. Please find attachment of the letter issued by Union Bank of India for the complaint letter received from Utpal Chaudhary. But that is, my lord, the respondent before lordship, partner of Gita Traders and power of attorney holder for MG Enterprises and AP Foods. You are hereby instructed to appear in person at Union Bank of India, Kamak Street branch on 9/9/2025 for discussion of future course of action. Now, my lord, now the response is at the top. Dear sir, as per mail, we visited the branch on 9/9/95 and cleared all pending issues and miscommunication with the branch. Hence, no issues are pending. Please confirm the same from your end. This is happening on 17th of September, 6 days after, my lord, this MOU was signed. My lord, much emphasis is supplied to the fact that one officer in charge of Kalighat police station was involved in this mediation. He happens to be a family friend. It is not, every police officer need not be, it cannot be said that a police officer cannot be family friend and cannot mediate. It's a family arrangement. Now coming to the question of the funds. Kindly take, for instance, the this MOU for once. Interestingly, my lord, if your lordship first kindly take the MOU, that is at page 218. Real records that first party are the partners and proprietor and stakeholders in the businesses carried on. And in the name, under the name and styles of Gita Traders, we are concerned with Gita Traders right now. MG Enterprise and AP Foods, the second party, that is the respondent, had advanced an unsecured loan of rupees 40.36 crores to the said firms during the period 21-22 to 23-24. Out of the said aforesaid loan, it records further.
Where are you reading? 200?
219, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, 219 recitals. May I start? Again, the first party are partners and or proprietor and stakeholders in the businesses carried on under the names and styles of Gita Traders, MG Enterprises and AP Foods, the firms. The second party, Utpal Chaudhary, had advanced an unsecured loan of rupees 40.36 crores to the said firms during the period 2021-22 to 23-24. Out of the aforesaid loan, a sum of rupees 10 crores has already been repaid by the first party upon consultation with Sri Ashish Kumar Paul, leaving the balance outstanding loan amount payable to the second party. In consideration of the said loan, the first party have executed 3 irrevocable power of attorneys. But it's a records, my lord, that irrevocable power of attorneys has been had already been executed in connection with the said firms in favor of second party, authorizing him to exclusively operate, manage, and control the affairs of the said firms, including all businesses and banking transactions until full repayment of the said loan. Now, then, my lord, comes the what are the terms and conditions? The banking and cash flow, etc. It takes note of the fact that, my lord, till such loan is repaid, my lord, the second party would be authorized and would regulate the or control the business in question.
Yes.
My lord, this is, my lord, the second party here is not only the partner of a firm, namely Gita Traders, but he is also a lender in this case, who has advanced unsecured loans in favor of, my lord, the firm, and, my lord, all those transfers, monetary transfers, are documented as banking transactions. My lord, now coming back to the terms and condition, then, my lord, it takes day-to-day cash sheets and bank statements of the firm shall be furnished to the first party, and the second party shall send the same on daily basis to the residence of the first party at Nilkamal building, and the first party shall sign and return the same regularly to the second party. It is further made clear that day-to-day cash sheets and bank statements of the said firms shall also be sent to the first party through email. So, my lord, the involvement of the first party is taken into account while entering into this MOU in question. Now, my lord, kindly take the accounting authority. First, my lord, the assets and liability statement. A fresh assets, this is serial number 3 at page 220. A fresh assets and liability statement for all the firms shall be prepared with effect from 1st of October 2025. Accounting authority, Shri Debabrata Basu, shall be appointed as the final authority for accounting of the firms. The balance sheet, financial statement shall be verified by Mr. Basu in consultation with whom, my lord? Sri Ashish Kumar Pal, who happens to be the father of the petitioner. Petitioner number 1 and husband of father-in-law and the husband of the petitioner number 2 and 3. The first party shall duly sign all such financial documents as verified by Sri Debabrata Basu, balance sheet and profit and loss accounts to be finalized by Arnab Pal through their chartered accountant firm. So it's not to the exclusion of Mr. Arnab Pal. That is the petitioner before Lordship. Now, management and control. The second party, Utpal Chaudhary, shall remain the person in overall charge of the firms, their businesses and assets until the unsecured loan of rupees 40.36 crores is fully repaid. The first party undertakes to extend all necessary cooperation and assistance for the growth and development of the firm. Then, my lord, the company's vehicles, my lord, whoever has the possession of the vehicle, that person would enjoy the use of the possession of the vehicles till such memorandum of understanding is in place. Then, my lord, kindly disposal of assets, then bank share investment, etc., etc. What has happened in the meantime? Your lordship will kindly now take, along with this, prayer A made in the application. Prayer A is basically, my lord, suspension of operation of the bank accounts. There are 3 bank accounts. My lord, at the instance of the petitioner, the operation of the 3 bank accounts maintained with Union Bank of India had already been suspended. The suspension is in force. And that later, this has been done at the instance of the petitioner. When they are filing a supplementary affidavit, disclosing all the subsequent events, it was imperative for them to disclose that the operation of the bank accounts had already been suspended at their instance, which they have not done so.
Is it true, Mr.
Yes.
Chaudhary?
We've written letters galore to the bank saying that do not permit bank accounts to be operated.
No, you
If
must be
bank
aware.
has ultimately suspended, they would know. I have zero control. I'm out.
But as per the instruction of the petitioner, one of the bank account has been
Very
now
good.
suspended.
You pay for the
Excellent.
bank.
Yes, I'm
Excellent. He's taken out 6.25 crores before that. And at least some Miller.
34 crores are left to be taken out. Oh, right. Sorry.
Where would
Sorry,
34 crores
sorry,
come
sorry.
from?
The -4, that comes to 30 crores. Correct.
Where,
For
where,
which I will adduce, my lord, sufficient
why
evidence.
future tense? Why aren't you showing I've put in 40 crores? That's the end of the matter.
2 days time we will do so. Nothing will happen in 2 days because the bank account operation has been suspended.
Very good. Let him come with the bank statements showing he's put in 40 crores. Please take it up on Wednesday.
Yes. Kindly
Please take it up.
Kindly, my lord, today, my lord, generate bank statements, my lord, at my whim.
Absolutely.
Bank statements are financial statements maintained by the bank. So, my lord, kindly give me a time. I will deal with kindly give me 1 week's time. I will deal with
No, why 1 week's time? Produce the bank statement. It takes 1 minute to print it. I don't have it.
This is a fantastic petition. Fantastic petition in the sense, my lord, I have very limited knowledge in this subject. Mr. Chaudhary is much more well.
No, he is, my lord.
He's much more well conversant.
He was my vice captain. My lord, he was the additional advocate general.
We had a good team.
I was the additional government pleader. We had a good
We
time.
had a good time, my lord. That was a wonderful time.
Yes.
So, my lord, may I just indicate to your lordship, would your lordship find in any arbitration, in any application under section 9, a prayer being made or allegations are being made to parties who are not parties to the arbitration agreement?
Can be done.
Prayers being made for preservation of CCTV footage, which has been done. I'm very happy that the CCTV footage has been preserved. Malab, in view of the order passed by this honorable court, that writ petition. Malab, I would be also very happy once this CCTV footage is played in open court. So what happened on that day, inside and outside the police station, would come to the fore. I would be also happy. Kindly give me just 7 days. Today is Monday, right? Kindly allow me to file within Friday, a comprehensive counter to this application, including all the bank statements, where I can demonstrate before your lordship that, all the payments were actually made, contrary to the submission made by Mr. Chaudhary, obviously on the instruction given by his client.
Yes.
Secondly, my lord, kindly take, my lord, now the prayers made in the writ petition for once and compare it with the prayers made in the section 9 application. This is the writ petition. My lord, will kindly give me a second. I'm so sorry, my lord. Writ petition দরকার নেই, just one minute. এটা হচ্ছে section 9. আচ্ছা, এটা হচ্ছে writ petitionটা নাও. Yes. Kindly take the section 9 prayers your lordship has got. Kindly take prayer C. In fact, my lord, this prayer D, I'm sorry, prayer D. Prayer ABC, my lord, those are for
So
the
that
writ
he's
court.
already saying that the prayer I is similar to the one he has.
Yes, my lord, not only that, my lord, kindly take, my lord, also,
The other prayers are not similar.
my lord, other prayers, I'm taking a lordship to that. Other prayers, prayer E with prayer J. Prayer E with prayer J. So we have two prayers. Then, my lord, they also seek direction upon the bank being prayer I, which is akin to prayer A in the section 9 application.
Only he made it very clear, Mr. Majumdar, that
I to the writ petition.
I to the writ.
I to the writ petition, compare it with prayer A to the section 9 application. Subject to your lordship's kind consideration.
Last part. Not making transactions.
6 is, my lord, the bank. Kindly take the second part of the prayer. Stop making transaction without express authority of the petitioner. So, my lord, we find at least 3 prayers which are more or less identical. And prayer A.
So, Mr. Chaudhary, as far as prayer A is concerned, the bank is making a statement that they have
Yes, yes.
suspended the.
Milord, bank has made a statement. I have nothing, Milord, there anymore. I just have 2 prayers. Number 1, inventory of the stock. Number 2 is, Milord, what is dangerous is a partner filching away customers of the firm to his own entities. Unimaginable. So, an injunction on that. And then, Milord, I'll come back in 7 days. I only protect the firm. I'm on protection of the firm. Supplementary affidavit, the firm Geeta Traders saying I'm giving NOC. And his firm, Mr. Mojumdar's client's firm, He's saying that I am now take velocity, I am taking it over. Milord, a partner setting up his own partnership
can-
firm
That
can't
can
be
be
done.
That can be done after exchange of affidavits.
Yes,
As far as one is
No, but
concerned,
if
that is-
if the customers of the firm are taken away, there'll be nothing left.
The account is closed in business.
what customers of the firm, how can that be taken away?
yes.
Milord, your lordship is aware, Milord, law is that a partner cannot carry on any competing business. Now, what is my learned friend doing? Milord, please just take
That
two
is a
documents.
final relief, whether it's
Yes.
No, but
at
in
this stage,
if in the meantime,
I can't close down the functioning of the company.
no, I don't. That's why I want a receiver. Open the bank
The
account, let him
receiver is
operate
a receiver
under
is a kind
receiver.
of final relief in section 9.
No, never. These are first day orders.
So receiver to
Milord,
what
please
extent?
appreciate
Kindly allow
a
me
running
private.
partnership firm has to carry on. Your lordship, Milord, will ensure that a partner business is not harmed. That's, Milord, the first, Milord, thing which makes commercial sense. Number two, stake of the two partners is 50-50.
Not on the first day. I'm not going to appoint the receiver to take control of the company. We'll see that. As far as the first is concerned, as far as the bank transactions are concerned,
They
the
stop.
bank has already made a statement.
Yes.
The rest we'll see after exchange of affidavits.
Milord, regarding taking over customers, inventory of,
We'll see
Milord,
that.
the stock, I have no control.
But they have themselves stated in the affidavit that DRI has caused a such and seizure operation. So, মানে all the stock.
DRI তো পালিয়ে গেছে ইডি না
না এটা DRI হচ্ছে স্টেট DRI
ও স্টেট DRI
ST DRI
ওকে
miserable lot.
Now, Milord, that's in respect of other two firms. He's got good control everywhere, but that's not the point. Milord, I need two protections. In fact, I'll be happy if the partnership accounts are operated under, Milord, a receiver. I'll be happy. That will ensure money can't be taken away like it has been, and business will continue. Number two, Milord,
Yes, sir.
this is, Milord, this makes commercial sense that please defreeze the account, use, Milord, the account, run the, Milord, account, but under supervision of receiver. So that ensures that you don't take out, Milord, money whenever you want to for yourself, only for the purpose of business of the firm and for, Milord, statutory payment. So this is the first order which I am praying. Milord, today, this is my business from the 1970s. If the business gets killed, that's what he wants.
Both
Because
the person's business, it's not only your business.
Near the
Yeah,
50%.
it's 50-50.
Yes.
So I'm not interested in killing the business.
No, by this action, you're killing the business.
Yes.
By the sanction on the bank. Yes, I agree. I don't want that to happen. But at the same time, I can't allow, Milord, him to operate the bank account freely. He's taken out 6.25 crores.
So that question is over now. He's not operating the bank account freely.
Yes.
The bank has already.
So I want, Milord, I had to, Milord, I wrote to the bank saying this is
They have
going on.
acted upon your instructions.
Yes, but I'm happy if your lordship, Milord, permits the bank accounts to be opened, but used only for the purpose of the business. That will, Milord, protect the business. Number one.
You have come here for restraining the bank account.
Yes.
Because
Also for a receiver.
so
Also
your
for
whole
a
idea
receiver.
is that the company should be run through a receiver. That's the whole idea.
Milord, I
That's
want,
exactly what you want.
Milord,
That
no,
on day one,
I
the court
want,
should appoint a receiver. The company should be run by a receiver without looking into any aspect.
no,
the
no, no.
company should-
Let him, Milord, let him do what he wants to, but he should not, there are three things he should not do. He should take out money for the business, but not for himself. Number two, he should
See,
deal
today
with the
That
clients.
has already been granted to you. The bank is not functioning anymore. The
But if
account
the-
has already been.
If the bank doesn't function,
That's what you want.
both of us, I will suffer the loss because what is he doing?
That's
He'll take the
exactly what
stock
you have to
away.
ask the bank. The bank has done it.
So I had to, Milord,
You
do
have
something.
come here. You are asking for the same relief from me.
But I've been writing letters to the bank for the last 3 months.
They have acted upon it.
Yes, but now let it be open under a receiver. Let the business continue.
Receiver, we'll see
Let the
once he
stock
files.
be inventorized.
Receiver, once he files his reply, we'll see that.
But in the meantime, Milord, two prayers, if I may make. Number one, Milord, respondent should not, Milord, approach customers or give NOCs. in the name of the firm. Milord, please take the supplementary ones, page 10. Supplementary.
Well, again, supplementary affidavit has been filed today.
No, you just see the two documents.
I have to take instruction and file
please,
affidavit.
Milord, please
You're
see.
supplementary, you're filing it today, then
Yes,
you
Milord,
allow,
please
you
see,
allow,
Milord, 24th December.
Go through that.
you allow him to take instruction then on as far as the
Milord,
supplementary is
Milord, just see this once, Milord.
Yes,
Page 12.
page 12, yes.
Geeta Traders, this firm is writing to Vinny,
Yes,
the client,
yes.
that due to unavoidable circumstances, we are facing challenges in continuing our work together under the existing arrangement. However, since now we are not continue our collaboration with your company from Geeta Traders and treat this as formal NOC. And what does he do? Next, page 11. Velocity is his firm. Milord, Mr. Mojumdar's client's firm. He takes Vinny to Velocity after the firm gives NOC.
Let me file.
So this way he will take my customers.
Nothing, my lord, nothing.
Stock is not protected.
Stock
He's
is
already
100%
taken out
protected. Search and seizure
6.75
operation has been
crores.
carried out. And
Now what will I
inventorized.
do?
Mr. Chaudhary, as far as the stocks are concerned, for that I can appoint a receiver.
To go back and make an inventory.
That can be done.
Well,
Lord, please do that.
Your lordship can do that. Well, I will not stand in the way.
And
My lord, only one
partnership
submission. My lord, there has been a search and seizure operation. So stock, whatever stock was there, be it the opening stock or the closing stock, has already been taken into account by, my lord, the GST authorities. And my lord, subject to correction by Mr. Chaudhary, I will stand corrected. During the search and seizure operation, again subject to correction.
You know much more of this law.
No,
So why are you saying all this?
no, my lord, I may know a little bit, but I never
You know,
claimed that.
GST and
My
tax,
senior is to
Milord,
say-
he is.
My senior is to say never claim monopoly over knowledge. The day you do so, you are done and dusted.
Milord, I feel everybody knows more law in all subjects.
So, my lord, my submission before your lordship is that once it has been inventorized, my lord, it has already been done. Now, my lord, the data, whatever data is there at the stage of search and seizure operation would clearly indicate whatever is there in stock.
Is a GST. That's
Subject to correction, there is no Milord GST
Will be-
rate for the partner for this partnership firm.
No, no,
That is for something else. Subject to correction.
no. I think Mr.
I am out. I wouldn't know anyway.
He was at the when the raid took place. Repeated attempts were made by the GST officer that you come and attend this procedure. Despite calls being made to the petitioner maybe for reasons
Sure.
known based to him did not attend. Maybe for reasons based known to him did not attend, and that's a fact. No, it's not correct.
We've not got anything for this firm. But what is the harm if somebody goes, makes an inventory, submits a report? And Milord, kindly take the Partnership Act once, Milord.
yes. Yes, Mr. Majumdar, what are you saying?
Malan, what I am submitting before your lordship is that, to the best of my information, GST raid or search and seizure operation was carried out. At the stage, during the continuance of the search and seizure operation, repeated attempts were made to contact my lord, the petitioner. Despite attempts being made, my lord, the petitioner, for reasons based known to him, did not attend the search and seizure procedure. My lord, my respectful submission before your lordship would be that once a search and seizure operation has been carried out, once, my lord, the relevant authorization has been given by the GST department, and my lord, obviously, my lord, Panchnama, triplicate, etc. has been done. But there is no reason as to why. This has been shared too.
It has been shared.
Yes, Geeta Traders search and seizure operation was carried out.
I have no information.
Information he should have attended.
How do I know?
Because he was called.
No, nobody has called me for Geeta Traders.
Then, my lord, those call records are also to be produced.
Yes, of course.
All right, then let
You
them,
can.
let them,
Now,
let them
Milord.
file their reply. Then.
Yes, my lord.
Now, Milord,
Why
section.
multiply the proceedings?
I'm sorry, Milord.
Why multiply the proceedings?
No,
If the search and seizure has already been conducted by the GST, the entire stock inventory would have
Inventorize. They should
have.
disclose it here.
correct.
But there are multiple go downs. I don't know whether it's in respect of both go downs.
So let us see. Let them file their reply. We'll see that then.
And Milord, the most important thing is that partner cannot carry on competing business. Now, this I have shown your lordship pages 11 and 12. He is, my lord, using the firm.
That, Mr.
That, my lord,
Chaudhary,
we will
under
fight.
There's an injunction on him to carry on any other business.
section 9, as far as that is concerned, we will see only once the pleadings are complete, and you have to take it to the arbitrator. You have to get that decided whether there's a competing business, non-competing business. All that has to be done before the arbitrator, not in section 9. How can I?
Now, my lord, my lord, please see, my lord, what is effectively happening. Bank accounts are closed, so firm cannot carry on business. Stock, my lord, he says there is GST raid. Stock is, my lord, closed according to him. And customers he's taking away.
No.
So by the time he
Immediately
favors
you
the
should
court
invoke-
with an affidavit, matter is over.
Immediately, you should get an arbitrator appointed and
Yes, my lord,
start
that's
the process.
better.
Why? We have Kalighat police station, they will appoint.
That's a
Well,
different
they are also
arbitrator. That's a
agreeable to that
mediator,
kind of
not an
arrangement.
arbitrator. He is mediating.
So he's
He's
mediating.
mediating.
That's a prior to the stage of arbitration. Mr. Chaudhary knows everything. And he's happy with that mediator.
No, I'm not happy. Milord, these mediators, Milord, at least,
I would be very happy
yes.
if the CCTV footage is.
Why don't you agree? Why don't we agree to appointment of Justice Shonji Banerjee as the arbitrator?
Absolutely, we have no problem.
Very well. Let
Yeah,
us
no
agree
problem.
here and now.
No problem. Sanjeev Banerjee, my lord, I am the last
Yes.
person to disagree.
So we
Yes. Kindly, Milord, I don't want any interim order. Please record that.
Yes.
I will get my relief if I'm entitled to.
Then my section 9 also stands disposed of.
Yes, I have liberty to approach, Milord, the arbitrator.
Sanjeev Banerjee, we cannot name.
It will be
for
absolutely
me,
fair.
My lord, whatever Justice Banerjee would decide, that would be.
All right, then we'll dispose
That's
it
the end of the
Absolutely.
matter.
End of the matter.
End of the matter.
with the consent of the parties. The
Mr.
arbitrator,
Chaudhary
Yes.
to name.
Mr. Banerjee, has been
And
appointed.
I'm
Yes.
the other side.
Yeah,
When
we
I'm
are-
the other side, he
we-
knows who to name.
We have both grown up
Malad,
before
we have
Justice
we have
Banerjee.
some kind of Malad, we
Yes.
respect him
He's-
so much.
Yes.
The petitioner has preferred.
Kichu Dakani.
So then we'll, you're not.
I want nothing else, Milord. I'll bas.
That is the kind of faith and trust you should have in judges,
Yes.
retired judges.
Yes.
All right. The petitioner has preferred the present petition under Section 9 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996, seeking interim measures, comma, inter alia, comma, restraining respondent number 2 and 3 from withdrawing or operating any account, any amounts from the accounts, bank accounts of respondent number 1, particularly the bank account numbers mentioned in prayer A of the present petition, along with all other consequential reliefs as prayed for in the prayer clause. Full stop. During the course of the argument, learned counsel for the petitioner states that he shall be satisfied. During the course of the argument, learned counsel petitioner states that he does not wish to press the present petition and states, and the parties mutually agree to the appointment of learned arbitrator, Mr. Honorable Justice Sanjeev Banerjee, retired, as an arbitrator to adjudicate the dispute between the parties. Full stop. Though I'm not sitting in 11-6, but still I'm appointing in
My lord. So you-
with the consent of the parties. Justice Sanjeev Banerjee, retired, is appointed as the arbitrator to decide the dispute between the parties. Full stop.
Not liberty to pay for interim release before arbitrator.
Learned counsel
That
for
is
the
always there.
petitioner is at
Preventing is
liberty
there.
to move appropriate applications before the learned arbitrator. The learned arbitrator shall decide his fees in accordance with law. Full stop.
Milord, name of the respondent number 4 be deleted.
Okay.
Bank.
the learned counsel petition states that the respondent number 4 shall be deleted from the array of parties. Full stop. Respondent number 4 is deleted from the array of parties. With the above direction, the present petition is disposed of.
Great. Then I had once argued for 15 minutes. Lordship, no reaction. After 15 minutes, I said, I am praying for, or in terms of prayer, they looked at me and said, I will crush your client.
All right.
Grateful, Vinod.